Hello YouTube, iCreations Alex Crawford here with another Xcode tutorial on switching views. To start, we're going to go to Xcode, that file, new project, application, view-based application for the iPhone. Choose. We're just going to name it switch tutorial. I'm just going to resize this. We're going to expand our classes in our resources folder. We're going to start in our classes. We're going to right click, add, new file, a Cocoa Touch class, a UI View Controller subclass, and then with zip for interface, and then next. We're just going to name this View2, and then move your view2.zip file down below your resources folder. We're going to start in our switch tutorial viewcontroller.h. We're going to, after the curly bracket, hit enter 2 times, dash, open parentheses, IB action, close parentheses. And there's 2 new view. That's what we're going to name it. And then go into our switch tutorial viewcontroller.m. And we're going to import our view2 class we made .h, and then after implementation switch view controller, enter 2 times, dash, open parentheses, IB action, close parentheses, and then 2 new view, enter, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Inside the curly brackets, enter switch tutorial view controller. No, sorry. We're going to enter view2 asterisk. New view. That's what we're going to name it. Equals double bracket view2 alloc close bracket. In it with nib name nil close bracket curly bracket. Not curly bracket of colon, and then we're going to do bracket self present model view controller. Then we're going to do new view animated, yes, and it's just the animation where like the new view slides up from the bottom. Nothing real special, and since we allocated memory up here, we have to release it down here at the end of our sequence. So we're going to do new view, release, close bracket, colon, Command S, Command S. Now we're going to go into our view2, and we're going to enter after the curly bracket 2 times, and then dash, open parentheses, IB action, close parentheses. Now we're going to enter back, close colon, Command S, view2, and now we're going to import, and then open parentheses, switch tutorial view controller .h, close quotes, not parentheses, sorry. After the implementation view2, hit enter 2 times, dash, open parentheses, IB action, close parentheses, then new view. What do we name it? Back, sorry. Back, open bracket, close bracket. And now, same line of code, just different names. Switch 12 view controller, asterisk, back without the K, equals double bracket, switch 12 view controller, alloc, close bracket, init, with nib name, nil, close bracket, colon, and then self present model view controller, and then back, yes, close bracket, colon. And then we're going to release it since we allocated it up here. So back, release, release. Oh, sorry, I just totally messed up that word. Release, close colon. Okay, now we're going to design our interface. I'm just going to turn this white, and then just add a navigation bar. Q1. I'm just going to add some text to the page. Creation 1. Show fonts. Change that to 30. And then we're going to add a button to the new view we made. Title to new view. And then we're going to change the font of that to 25. Command S. Now we're going to go to our files owner, and then to our connections tab. Now we're going to see our received actions. Now we're going to connect that to the button and touch up inside. Command S. Now we're done with that. Now view2.zib. We're just going to do the same. Put in the navigation bar. And just name it view2. Put in some text and a button. And the button for this one will be the back button to the view 1. Change the font again, make it look really big so you can see it. Resize the button, make it really big. Back. And then font size 25. And then files owner, connections tab, back. Touch up inside. Just gonna send that real quick. Command S. And that should be it. We should build, no warnings, no errors, nothing. And then there's our interface we made. And then to new view. And then that's view 2. And back to new view. Okay, this has been an iCreation tutorial on Xcode. Hope you have a nice day. Make sure to check us out. And if you want to program for iPhone or have an interest in it, check out our webpage in the link.